choice today with the 2020 F-Pace. The first Jaguar luxury performance SUV brings together sporty handling and dramatic beauty with everyday practicality and efficiency, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, panic alarm. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.